Karnataka Sakleshpura tourist place, total 12-acre beautiful coffee estate, 15 km from Sakleshpur city, tar road frontage, beautiful natural view on foggy and cool weather, well maintaining robusta, coffee, pepper, arecanut and many other trees, water and electricity facilities, single owner with proper documents, suitable for resort, homestay, farmhouse, villa and plantation purpose, per acre 45 lakh, asking slightly negotiable. Thank you.